Do you want to increase your conversion rate? Add an automatic discount code for the link in your ads. What is going on? My name's Justin from EcommEvolution, and here is how to add an automatic discount code to your Shopify URL. Step 1, you want to use this template you can see on the screen. That is myshopify.com or your Shopify domain /discount code !redirect equals redirect URL. You want to replace the curly brackets within this. I've got an example here underneath. We're using revolutionboutique.ca, one of our clients, as an example. So you take the root domain URL, which is that there, plug that into the first element, which will give you revolutionboutique.ca /discount / and now we need the discount code. So we've got a discount code here, welcome15. We plug that into the URL. Then it is !redirect equals, and then we need the page URL. So this is where we want someone to go when they click on our link. And we have a collection welcome discount landing page. You could also do this to a product page as well. So what we want to do, once we've entered that in, we can copy that, open a new tab, hit enter, and that's going to take us to the welcome 15 collection page. And then you can see if we add a product to cart, which we've already got one, it says that the welcome 15 discount has automatically been applied, and we go to checkout, we can also see that there too. So this is perfect if you want to run a special promotion that has a discount code. Say you're running Facebook ads, first time offer for new customers, or Google ads, or even organic content, any discount code really. Instead of having it in the description where your customer either has to copy paste that or remember what the discount code is, as soon as they click your link, that discount code is automatically applied to their checkout. They can shop around, and then whatever products they purchase, as long as it falls under the criteria of that discount code, that'll be applied. So it's a much simpler way to streamline your customer experience and also increase your conversion rate because people aren't forgetting what the discount code is. And that is how to increase your e-commerce conversion rate with the automatic discount code in Shopify in under 30 seconds. If you have any value from this video, smash the thumbs up button. But if you have any other comments or you didn't like this video, drop a comment below, tell me why, and I'll make sure to respond to you. Likewise, for any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I will get back to you. We're going to be posting new videos like this every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button not to miss out.